Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see how drop duplicate function works in Scala. Why do we use drop duplicate? It is used to remove the duplicate rows from a data frame. So in this exercise, what I am just doing, I am just importing all the required libraries. Here I am creating a custom schema with the help of a struct type and the struct field. I am defining 6 columns and its data types. These are the columns and these are the data types. With the help of a spark.read.csv function, by passing a CSV file address, I am creating this data frame with the help of this custom schema, which we have created here. Once this data frame gets created, so what I am just going to do, I am just calling this drop duplicate function and passing the name of the column based on which I want to remove drop duplicates. And once this data frame gets created, I am showing the data frame with the help of a display function. So the code till here, by till reading of a CSV file and creation of a data frame, I have done multiple times in my previous videos. I am not going to write the same code. What I will going to do, I will copy the code from one of my previous exercises and I will show you in this exercise how this drop duplicate function works in Scala. So let's go to the Databricks. Let's create a notebook. Name it as drop duplicates. Connect this notebook with our cluster. So let's copy the code till creation of data frame by reading a CSV file. This code will import all the required libraries. This code will create a custom data frame. This code is to create a data frame by reading a CSV file. So let's run it one by one. All the required libraries are available in this notebook. Let's create the schema. Now let's create the data frame by reading a CSV file. This data frame has been created successfully. Let's display it. These are the content of the data frame. It has 5 records and 6 columns. Now let's see how drop duplicate function works. So let's create a data frame. How we are going to call drop duplicate function? We are going to call it on a data frame. Drop duplicates. Let's run it. So here this data frame has drop duplicate function has been implemented in this data frame. Here we can see we are not passing any column. Based on that, the filtering of rows should happen. If we are not supplying, if we are not going to supply any column in the drop duplicates, what it will going to do, it will consider each and every column during the process of find the unique rows or in the process of removal of duplicate rows. So no argument, it will consider all the columns. Let's see the content of this data frame. See, it has all the 5 records. Let's call this drop duplicate function one more time, and here we are going to put column AP gender. Let's run it. Okay, it is saying it must be string. Okay, so no need to put this column function here. We need to put only string only. So let's run it. Now here what I have done, I am removing duplicates from this data frame by AP gender column. So let's see how it is. Let's display this data frame. We can see the duplicate rows has been removed. It is fetching the first rows which it is getting, and all the subsequent rows which has same value in the sense female and male, it is just removing all the rows below that. You can see this AP ID is 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, all the AP ID has been removed. So this we need to take care that whatever the first matching condition, it will be there, means first value it will be there, it will going to fetch that value, that rows only, otherwise rest of the rows it will going to remove. Let's implement drop duplicate based on two column. One is AP gender and one is AP state. Let's run it. Here what I am just doing, I am just removing duplicates value based on the AP gender and AP state. So both column will going to consider during the process of removal of duplicate values from this data frame. So let's display this data frame which has been created. We can see there are 4 records. Why the 4 records are coming? It is considered the removal of duplicates value based on AP gender and AP state. This is the female, this is the Karnataka, this is female, but this is Maharashtra. That's why it's considered 2 different rows. Here is male is Haryana, male is UP. So here we have seen that how we can implement drop duplicate function based on 2 or more columns. So in this video we have seen how we can implement drop duplicate function to remove duplicate rows from a data frame. We have also seen how drop duplicate function will going to work if we are not going to provide any columns. We have also seen how drop duplicate function will behave if we provide only one column for removal of duplication. And we have also seen how drop duplicate function works if we provide more than one columns during the process of removal of duplicate rows from a data frame. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.